Let's talk about cement, the gray powder that's the backbone of our cities. It's everywhere, yet most of us rarely give it a second thought. From the moment you step outside your door, cement is under your feet, above your head, and all around you, quietly supporting the world we live in. It's the glue in concrete, holding together sidewalks, homes, and skyscrapers. Every time a new building rises or a road is paved, cement is there, making it possible. It's the silent partner in every construction project, big or small. Without cement, our world would look very different. Imagine cities without tall buildings, roads, or bridges, just open land and scattered settlements. The modern world as we know it simply wouldn't exist. It's so common we barely notice it, but its story is anything but dull. Cement is a product of human ingenuity, a material that has shaped civilizations for centuries and continues to evolve with new technology. Cement's journey starts in massive plants near mountains, where the right rocks are found. These locations are chosen for their rich deposits of limestone and clay, the essential ingredients for making cement. The process is a blend of brute force and precision, transforming raw earth into a material that can last centuries. Giant machines crush, grind, and blend the raw materials, setting the stage for a chemical transformation that's nothing short of remarkable. Modern Portland cement changed everything, making construction faster and stronger. It allowed architects and engineers to dream bigger, building structures that reach higher and last longer than ever before. On its own, cement is just dust, but add water, sand, and gravel, and you get concrete, a material that can be shaped into anything and is used more than any other man-made substance. Concrete is poured, molded, and set into the forms that define our cities. It's in our roads, bridges, and buildings, the foundation of modern infrastructure. Every highway, every bridge, every towering building relies on cement to stand strong against time and the elements. The demand is relentless as cities grow worldwide, urbanization is accelerating, and with it, the need for cement continues to soar, fueling the expansion of our concrete jungles. We'll focus on the dry process, the modern, energy-efficient way to make cement. This method has revolutionized the industry, making it possible to produce more cement with less environmental impact. Unlike the old wet process, the dry method skips the water, saving huge amounts of energy. It's a leap forward in sustainability, helping to reduce the carbon footprint of cement production. This efficiency is crucial when you're running a kiln the size of a football field. These massive kilns reach temperatures hotter than molten lava, turning raw materials into the clinker that forms the basis of cement. But even with these advances, making cement is still a tough, power-hungry job. It takes a dedicated team and constant vigilance to keep everything running smoothly and safely. Every step is carefully controlled to ensure the final product is strong and reliable. Quality control is essential, because the safety of millions depends on the strength of cement. The story of cement is one of transformation, turning raw rock into the backbone of civilization. It's a process that combines nature, science, and human effort in perfect harmony. So, how does a mountain become a skyscraper? Let's find out. The journey from raw stone to soaring tower is more fascinating than you might think. It all starts with the right ingredients, pulled straight from the earth. Limestone, clay, and other minerals are carefully selected and extracted, beginning a journey that will shape the skylines of tomorrow. And that's where our journey begins. From the first rays of dawn over a cement plant to the bustling activity of a new day, the story of cement is the story of progress, innovation, and the enduring strength of human ambition. Cement starts with limestone, about 80% of the mix mined from the earth. This limestone is the backbone of cement, providing the essential calcium that gives concrete its strength and durability. The process begins deep in the ground where ancient marine deposits have solidified over millions of years, waiting to be unearthed. Not just any limestone will do. Geologists map and sample the quarry to find the perfect rock. They analyze the mineral content, searching for the right balance of purity and composition, ensuring the final product will meet strict quality standards. Clay, shale, and sand provide the rest of the essential ingredients. Each material brings unique properties, silica, alumina, and iron, that are crucial for the chemical reactions in cement production. Massive excavators and loaders break the rock loose using carefully planned blasts. These controlled explosions fracture the earth, making it possible to extract huge quantities of raw material efficiently and safely. Safety is paramount, blasting zones are cleared, and everyone wears protective gear. Strict protocols are followed to protect workers and minimize environmental impact, with constant monitoring to ensure compliance. Haul trucks with tires taller than a person move the rock to the crusher. These behemoths can carry dozens of tons in a single trip, making them the workhorses of the quarry. These trucks run non-stop, feeding the plant's appetite for raw material. Day and night, they keep the supply chain moving, ensuring there's never a pause in production. The journey from mountain to cement begins with this raw, rugged landscape. The quarry is a place of constant motion, where nature and industry meet in a dramatic display of power and precision. Every skyscraper and bridge starts as a chunk of stone loaded into a truck. These humble beginnings are the first step in creating the infrastructure that shapes our cities and connects our world. The quarry is where the transformation from earth to infrastructure truly begins. Here, raw materials are gathered and prepared for their journey to become something greater. It's a dangerous, high-stakes operation, but it's choreographed with precision. Every movement is calculated, every blast timed to maximize efficiency and safety. From here, the rock's journey continues, getting smaller and more refined at every step. The raw material is transported, sorted, and prepared for the next phase of its transformation. Next stop, the crushers, where the real transformation begins. Here, the massive rocks are broken down into smaller, more manageable pieces, ready for blending and further processing. Let's see how these massive rocks become the perfect blend for cement, setting the stage for the structures that define our modern world. The haul trucks dump their loads into the primary crusher, which smashes car-sized rocks into grapefruit-sized chunks. Conveyor belts move the material to secondary crushers, reducing it to gravel. The goal: increase surface area for efficient grinding and heating. Different raw materials are stored in separate piles, ready for blending. Quality control labs constantly sample and analyze the materials to perfect the recipe. Stackers and reclaimers build and retrieve layered stockpiles, ensuring a consistent mix. This pre-homogenization is key. Any variation can weaken the final product. Lab technicians monitor and adjust the blend, acting as master chefs for cement. Consistency at this stage is the foundation for strong, reliable cement. The art and science of blending set the stage for everything that follows. With the perfect mix ready, it's time to grind it down to a fine powder. Next, we enter the world of raw mills. The crushed material enters massive raw mills, giant drums filled with steel balls or rollers. As the mills rotate, the material is ground into a superfine powder called raw meal. The finer the powder, the better the chemical reactions in the kiln. Air currents carry the powder to separators, which send coarse particles back for more grinding. Automated samplers and labs check the raw meal's chemistry in real time. Operators tweak the blend to ensure the perfect recipe before the kiln. This meticulous, computer-controlled process guarantees quality. Only the finest, most balanced powder moves forward. The raw meal is now ready for the next big transformation. It's time for the heat of the preheater tower. The preheater tower is a towering, energy-saving innovation. Here, hot exhaust gases from the kiln heat the raw meal before it enters the kiln. This step alone can save up to 40% of the fuel needed. The raw meal drops through cyclone chambers, meeting rising hot gases and heating rapidly. Calcination begins. Calcium carbonate breaks down, releasing CO2 and forming quicklime. By the time the meal reaches the bottom, most calcination is done, easing the kiln's workload. This clever engineering makes the process more efficient and sustainable. The now glowing material drops into the kiln, primed for its final transformation. The preheater is a perfect example of turning waste heat into valuable energy. The rotary kiln is the heart of the plant, a massive, rotating steel tube lined with heat-resistant bricks. Inside, temperatures soar above 2,600 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than volcanic lava. The preheated material tumbles through, fusing into new compounds in a process called sintering. The result: marble-sized pellets called clinker. Modern kilns use alternative fuels, waste materials burned safely at extreme heat. This reduces costs and environmental impact. After 30-45 minutes, the clinker emerges, ready for cooling. Operators monitor the kiln around the clock, balancing temperature and rotation. The kiln's fiery transformation is the key to strong, durable cement. Clinker exits the kiln at over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit and drops into a clinker cooler. Powerful fans blast air through the hot clinker, cooling it rapidly and locking in strength. The hot air isn't wasted, it's recycled back to the kiln and preheater, saving fuel. This closed-loop system dramatically boosts energy efficiency. Once cooled, clinker is stable and ready for storage. Conveyor belts move it to silos, creating a buffer for continuous production. The journey from mountain to clinker is nearly complete. But one final step remains before it becomes cement. Next, we add the magic touch that makes cement usable. Let's see how clinker becomes the powder we all know. Cooled clinker isn't cement yet. It sets too fast for construction. Enter gypsum, a soft mineral added to control setting time. Clinker and gypsum are ground together in giant mills, creating fine Portland cement. The fineness of the grind affects strength and setting speed. Quality control labs test every batch for composition and performance. Only cement that meets strict standards is shipped out. The finished powder is stored in silos ready for delivery or packaging. High-speed machines fill thousands of bags per hour for construction sites worldwide. The transformation from mountain to cement is complete. But what does this mean for our world? Cement's journey is epic. Mountain to powder, a transformation that begins deep within the earth and ends as the backbone of our modern world. From rock to infrastructure, cement is everywhere. Over 4 billion tons are produced globally each year, making it one of the most widely used materials on the planet. It shapes our cities, our roads, and our daily lives, quietly supporting the growth of civilization. But there's a cost. Cement is a major source of CO2 emissions, contributing significantly to climate change. This challenge is driving innovation in cleaner production. Modern plants use advanced dust collection systems and enforce strict safety protocols to protect both workers and the environment. The process is safer and cleaner than ever before thanks to technology and regulation. Yet, challenges remain. Reducing emissions further and finding sustainable alternatives are ongoing battles for the industry. Next time you walk on a sidewalk, drive over a bridge, or enter a skyscraper, remember the story behind the cement beneath your feet. It's the unsung hero of our built world. Born from earth, transformed by fire, and shaped by human ingenuity and relentless effort, from quarry to kiln, from dust to concrete, every step is a testament to innovation and hard work. Cement is the foundation of our future. It's a demanding, dirty process, but it's also a story of progress and possibility. It builds the world we live in, one project at a time, connecting communities and shaping skylines. The next chapter, making cement greener for generations to come. That's the story of cement, one gray, dusty bag at a time, paving the way for a more sustainable tomorrow.